dilly-dally. Don't shilly-shally. Come see Sally Mali and her little pet Jack. If you hear squawking when you're out walking, it must be Sally Mali and her little pet Jack. Sally's house is full of laughter. Jack needs some looking after. Isn't that what friends are for? So come see Sally Mali and her little pet Jack.
There was something going on in Sally Mali's garden. What was that? It was Jack. He was making a tent with an old sheep. A very old sheep. Sally Mali thought that Jack's tent was great. Jack was quite pleased with his little tent. "Yoo-hoo!" called a voice. It was Sally Mali. She'd brought Jack some lunch. Said Jack gratefully as he began to eat. Sally Mali thought that Jack was a clever little bird. He'd made the tent all by himself. Oh dear. Sally Mali thought that Jack looked very funny. Poor Jack, he was very disappointed. "Never mind, Jack," said Sally Mali. "I'm going to the store. I'll bring you a present." Jack was very excited. Sally set off for the store. "Bye-bye, Jack," she said. Said Jack, hoping she'd be back soon. Jack waited and waited. Sally Mali had been gone a long time. Then suddenly he saw her. Sally Mali was coming home. Jack couldn't wait to see his present. "Hello, Jack," said Sally Mali. "Look what I got for you." Said Jack. It was a tent. A real tent. All they had to do was put it up. At last the tent was ready. Jack and Sally Mali were going to sleep in the tent that night. Sally Mali and Jack settled down to sleep right away. "Good night, Jack," said Sally Mali. Said Jack. Jack couldn't sleep. But Sally Mali was already fast asleep. Then Jack heard a noise. He said. "Shh, Jack," mumbled Sally Mali. "It's only a hedgehog." Then Jack heard another noise. Said Jack. He was a bit scared. "Shh, Jack," mumbled Sally Mali. "It's only a rabbit." Then Jack heard another noise. It was an owl hooting. Cried Jack. This time he was really scared. Sally Mali had had enough. "Come along, Jack," said Sally Mali. "We're going back inside." At last, Sally Mali and Jack were safe in bed. What an eventful day it had been. "Good night, Jack," said Sally Mali. "Roar," said Jack.